Well, so I'm out here in my garage and I bought a diesel heater. So it's like 34, 36 degrees outside. Can you hear it spinning up? And well, anyway, this is the setup. Okay, so I got my little PGY OB power station plugged into my Hcalory toolbox heater, and the exhaust, well, the heat coming out here. It's blowing, not heat yet. And I got my exhaust running out over there. There's warm air coming out of there. I do believe I'm going to have to, that little PGYOB power supply is working just fine. We do have hot air coming out, warm air, I should say. I'm going to leave this run for a while and see what happens. If I'm going to heat my garage with this, or when I'm not out camping with it, I'm going to have to buy me a little exhaust port and put through the door so I can run this thing. We'll come back in about an hour and see what happens. I should say that this is only the second time that I've had this lit off. The first time I just lit it off to see if it would light. I had it plugged into regular 120 volt outlet in the 120 volt AC. But now I wanted to check it with this little battery pack and see if it's going to be a viable source for heat when I take it camping. And I do have it on high heat, max heat. Is heating. Putting out really warm air. So we'll see what happens. Well, I've had this thing running about an hour, and I gotta say I'm pretty impressed. The only thing I'm kind of worried about is this exhaust dryer duct is awful hot. I mean, I can keep my hand on it. I changed the set point on from high and I put it at 73 degrees. I doubt very seriously if I'm going to leave it run. This was basically just a checkout. You see how it's gonna go, and I gotta say I'm really impressed. Thanks, Hcalory.